Hello, welcome to Paula Deen house and Michael Groover house. We're still cooking up because we're all still going through that quarantine. So today I'm going to share a recipe with y'all. I know you've probably had it over the years, but it's really a good way to get your children to eat their vegetables, because broccoli is supposed to be one of the genius vegetables that we need to get our children to like. So broccoli salad, I'm adding some chopped celery, raisins. Now this is my favorite part about this recipe, because you bite into the tartness of the broccoli and then the sweetness of these wonderful raisins, and then the salty from the chopped bacon, and then green onions or spring onions. Some people call them scallions even, I think. That goes in. And then I've got honey and lemon juice and mayonnaise. So we're just gonna mix all this together. Look at that honey. I don't know if y'all have ever tried my line of honey, but oh honey, it is so good. I have 3 different flavors: wildflower, orange blossom, and oh my gosh, I can't believe I can't remember the third one. I can't think of it.
It's the
wild berry.
berry.
Wild berry. So they are delicious too. Alrighty, so we're just gonna stir all that up. I'm thinking we're gonna need some more mayonnaise, but we'll see. You know, it's hard to figure things like that. You just have to keep adding till you think you've got it right. Thank you, Teresa. Yeah, there's a lot of cracks in that broccoli that mayonnaise has to get in.
I know.
You know, to me, recipes, they're just almost like a reference.
Well, you know, and
And then you go from that.
You know, the bottoms.
Yeah.
I really just gave you the florets, so it's probably
Yes.
a lot more broccoli
Yes.
than the recipe would if you didn't
Yes.
cut that.
Yes.
That part. But I hate that stuff on the end. I'm sure it's probably the best thing for
The
it.
stalk. Well, for them to be good, you really have to kind of peel them. And they're good. I mean, they got the broccoli flavor.
I think we should have given her a bigger bowl, lady.
I'm having a hard time keeping it in this bowl. Okay, about squeezed all I can squeeze out of this jar.
Do you need more?
Oh, honey, do I have more?
I said, do you need more? I know you
Oh.
have plenty. Tell the audience how much mayonnaise you probably have in your
I
pantry.
usually keep 12 of these in my pantry.
I think we're getting low. I think we're...
Are you kidding me?
But you don't buy the same kind every time. You
No,
give it to everyone.
I just saw this brand. I'd never seen it before at the grocery store, but it was buy one, get one free. So I said, well, what the heck, I'll try it. So if it's buy one, get one free, I'll, get 4 to 6. Because I don't want to run out of mayonnaise. All right, let me see in here. There may be a jar, because sometimes people open them without realizing we've already got one open, but
There you go. I mean, it's
oh, thank you. See, a different brand.
Somebody asked if you used Blue Plate also because it's from New
No.
Orleans.
My mother used to use blue.
No, I don't. But I do love uh,
Almonds.
Duke's. Duke's just has a little tart taste to it that just screams from the South. I'm from the South, you
That's
know.
all we ever ate was Blue Plate.
Was Blue Plate. I tell you what, there's one out there that I don't even see how they sell it. I don't see how people even eat it. Is that whipped stuff.
That's more of a dressing. I don't know why people would even call that mayonnaise.
Yeah. All right, we're about to get this coated, y'all. Sorry it's taking so long, but for that amount of broccoli, I would probably add twice the amount of mayonnaise that the recipe called for. Because in that last jar, there wasn't that much in it. I had to do a lot of scraping. Yeah, now it's looking good. Get all that broccoli coated real good. And I know we always told our children, still tell them, that broccoli is like trees. And it makes you very, very strong. And God likes for you to eat trees. That is so good. I'm looking for a raisin. If y'all have never had this, try it. I really do think you'll like it. And with the weather so hot, this is almost kind of refreshing. Don't have to turn on the stove to get it ready. Throw it in the cooler and go all the way to the back of your yard and have a picnic and pretend you're at the beach. Remember, I'm trying to make lemonade out of lemon. Loving best dishes, y'all. Oh, I forgot the best part, y'all. Honey glazed almonds. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.